Likes and dislikes. Day 5. So let's start our conversation. And I know that you guys are also learning with me. So can we start our conversation?
Of course, I'd love to. Let's get started with our conversation and we can make it engaging and fun for everyone. Whenever you're ready, let's dive in.
Yeah, you can ask me questions. I'm ready.
Awesome, let's start then. First question, what do you like doing in your free time?
Well, in my free time, I like to listen to music. That's a kind of relaxing and active activity for me.
That sounds lovely. Music is definitely a great way to unwind. Alright, next question. Do you like watching English videos?
Yes, I do like watching English videos because it's a kind of a learning activity for me, as well as I can invest my time on a good thing.
That's a great mindset. It's definitely a productive way to spend your time. Alright, next question. What kind of videos do you enjoy the most?
Mostly like uh, I like those kind of videos which are like kids learning videos. Like they should be related to cartoons. So I like those kind of videos. Like whenever I get a chance, I like to watch them, and I just like to listen. They are fun.
That's wonderful. Cartoon and kids learning videos can definitely be fun and engaging. Great choice. Alright, next question. Do you like reading books?
Sometimes I do like reading books because I just like to read books in the library, not at my home, because I don't get that kind of environment by which I can do a focus with a focus reading. So I don't prefer it. Like I don't prefer reading at my home. If I will get a chance, I just go to library and read over there.
That makes perfect sense. The library definitely provides a peaceful environment for reading. Great explanation. Alright, next up, what kind of books do you like the most?
Mostly I like those kind of videos which are related to stories, like interesting stories, which builds our interest, as well as we can get to know about some good things from those. So I like those kind of books.
That's a fantastic choice. Inspirational and interesting stories can definitely be motivating. Great answer. Alright, let's move on. What food do you like the most?
Mostly I like healthy food, like which should be made by mother, like which should be made by my mother, or that should be from home. Like I just prefer that kind of food which should be made in hygiene.
That's lovely. Homemade food always has that special touch and care. Great choice. Alright, next question. Is there any food you don't like?
Yes, I like that kind of food. Sorry, I don't like that kind of food which contains a lot of oil.
That makes sense. Healthier options definitely feel better. Great answer. Alright, next up. Do you like waking up early?
Yes, I do like waking up early because whenever I take a bath early, so at that time I just like to go to Gurdwara Sahib. Then I just come back and make tea for myself as well as for my family.
That's wonderful. It sounds like you have a calming and meaningful morning routine. Great job. Alright, next question. What do you dislike the most in daily life?
Well, these days, actually, I don't have many dislikes, but these days, whenever I go outside in the mornings, at that time, the fog, I dislike that thing because we can't see anything from far.
I completely understand. Fog can definitely make things challenging. Great answer. Alright, let's keep going. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do like learning English. I am learning English these days with you by having a conversation. And that's all for today. Thank you for having a conversation with me. We will have conversation tomorrow. Thank you for helping me. So guys, that's all for today. We have done with our conversation, and if you really want to learn like this, so you can also have conversations with ChatGPT. And thank you for today, and like this video if you have learned something from this video, and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends who are eager to learn English. Thank you.